acib is a research center that works in the field of industrial biotechnology. One of these disciplines is biocatalysis. Biocatalysis means that we convert and produce molecules with the help of enzymes. This enables us to replace common chemical processes by efficient and environmental-friendly approaches. Besides single reaction formats that have been successfully implemented in industry, also multi-step reactions in one pot get more and more important. This reduces the number of working steps in a process and requires less purification steps of intermediate products. Means less CO2 emissions. But multi-step reactions can get very complex. To be successful, our researchers of biocatalysis need to work closely with our cell and protein engineers. Our famous products of this research field are, for example, oligosaccharides for the food and cosmetic sectors, multi-oxidation reactions for aroma compounds and fine chemicals, or cascade reactions for building blocks in antibiotic production. Biocatalysis is one of our crucial pieces in the big picture of biotechnology. Let's innovate from nature.